Hello, my crafty friends. Paula here. I am got a journal share. This is a mini Scholar Ledger using Nick the Booksmith's Scholar Ledger course. I will link that link below. It is 6 by 5.5. I think that's what it was. Pretty sure. And let's see. Yeah, 6 by 5.5. And it's got 3 signatures in there. And I just put a little book plate with notes, and this paper was just a single sheet that I had in my stash. And it is a cutie patootie hardback cover and lace tabs with some little bead dangles on there. And 3 signatures. I do 3 signatures. I put the same amount of paper and I just do 3 signatures because sewing them in just, with these hands of mine, it's just hideous. Look how inky that is. I just did a tutorial, so my hand's just going to be looking like that. But yeah, sewing the signatures in, that part really gets me. So I just do 3. I just add it all together into 3 instead of 5 or 6. But inside I used, again, some cardstock that was just in my stash, and I used some little trim right here. And I used the Old Design Shop, Nevermore Creation 17, Nick the Booksmith, and I'm not sure what else, but I will link all of those ones below. And yeah, I also used some out of this tablet that Miss Trina, my cousin, gave me. And it is super duper cute. I used some of the cardstock out of that. And so cute, so cute, so cute. Sewed around a lot of the ephemera and did a lot of sewing in here. And coffee dyed paper, some is not. And this book page, there's some book pages out of a couple different books that that's Tsunami Rose, and I just sewed it onto cardstock. And this is just some extra paper. So I will link Tsunami Rose below as well. Over here, Mrs. Coggs, I will link her below as well. Tim Holtz, and this is Nick the Booksmith. And this is a beet dyed coffee filter, and inside is these 2. That's the Old Design Shop and Nevermore Creation 17. And I just stuck those in there like so, like that. Did a bunch of sewing, and this was gifted to me by the Old Design Shop, Julie at the Old Design Shop. I super love it. It's super old, so there's a lot of old vintage papers in here. This little Tim Holtz. That is Tracy's shop, Love Junk Journals. I will link her below. Some old ledger. And then these 2. Mrs. Coggs, I think. But I will link all their shops below so you can go check them out. Oh, I forgot to put something in there. I'll have to put something in there. And here's a little pocket with some Tim Holtz people. And some more little images here. Little pocket, some lace. Tim Holtz bird. Yahtzee. A little dangle. And did I have one up there? Nope, I didn't. And this little bag came from Julie as well, and I just put a little tag inside and stamped "This book belongs to" on it. And stuck that there. That's the first signature. Some old Yahtzee. And this is some old vintage book page that Julie also gave me from the old design shop. I love it. And over here is just a little tag I made. Coffee dyed file folder, and put these two inside. This is an old book page, and I don't remember what book that is. I think it's, I'm not quite sure, so I'm not going to say. Sorry. And that is from Nick the Booksmith. This is an old vintage postcard that I got off of eBay. Super old. And a pocket. A seed packet. It's a real seed packet I got off of eBay. A vintage seed packet. And then a big old journaling card. Another little dangle bead that I made. I never know which way these bulb things are supposed to hang, so I just let them do whatever they want to do. Guess check. Oh, that is out of, my goodness. Edith Holden, why can I not speak? What is my problem? Another big old tag with another little extra tablet, coffee dyed bits. Very old vintage Yahtzee from Julie. And a little tag. One I sewed around. One was just extra bits. And this also came from Julie. I love this card. I love this card. Is that not cute? I just tucked the card inside of the envelope like this. And then I put this little extra piece here. And I just love all this. It's so cute. So I just tucked that in there like that. And then tucked that in and folded it over. See? That is from Nick the Booksmith. And this is from Tracy's shop. I love this little envelope. I didn't glue it shut. A little red ant. Isn't that cute? I love that. And I just tucked that in there. And just some little extra writing paper and a little tag. Weekly time card. And over here another pocket. And these are some postcards that I got off of eBay. Is that not cool? Love it! Thought I would start sharing them. Another little booklet for journaling and another little tag. Edith Holden. And this is a little envelope that Julie also gave me, and I put one of these inside, and I just washi taped it in so it can flip out. This is super old, fragile, very old, and I love it. I don't want to get rid of it, but I have to use it, right? I love it. It's so cute. And I put a little post-it notes right here. Lots of little post-it notes and a couple little tags. Guess check. Another big old tag I made. That is Nick the Booksmith. Did some stenciling on that tag. Just a couple little tickets. Edith Holden, some Tim Holtz, and I don't know what that one is, but I just clipped those in there. I love that. So cute. Oh my goodness. Look at that one. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my goodness. Little tag, another tag I made. This flips out. And inside here, some more tickets and another little tag. Some more little post-it notes. Another little dangle. And back here are 2 more little tags. And the bottom of a repair tag. And I just tuck those in there like that. She is really chunky. She lays super flat for writing. And I think it's over 144 pages front and back, not including the little small pages. But yeah, this one is available. I will link my Bloomin' Sticks and Facebook below. If you are interested, please PM me and I will give you the information on her. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you like this video, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.